study in class 12 science at Matashri Junior College. Today I am going to present a documentary about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you.
Years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889 at Allahabad. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a famous barrister. He had his primary education from English tutors at home. He was sent to England for high school studies. He took up education in law. After completing the law, he returned to India. He had a burning passion for his country's independence. Was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. His greatest desire was to set India free. Under the guidance of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru took an active part in the freedom movement. He also followed the path of truth and non-violence. He was sent to jail many times. He was elected president of the Indian National Congress in 1929. The Pledge of Independence was taken there. He said at the Constituent Assembly, whether we are men and women of history or not, India is a country of destiny. When India attained freedom in August 1947, he became the Prime Minister of the country. His astute leadership and global vision brought progress, prosperity, and respect for the country. He laid the foundations of democracy. He believed in the principles of peaceful coexistence. In 1961, the Panchasheel Agreement was signed between India and China. He was a great supporter of disarmament. India got due respect from the world under his leadership. He worked hard to create an international order of peace and brotherhood. He followed the path defined by Buddha, Christ, and Nanak. After serving the nation and mankind for a long time, he died on 27th May 1964. He left behind a rich heritage of planning and development. He started the cycle of progress and social justice. He created a network of educational, technical, and medical institutions. He built large industrial, agricultural, irrigation, and power projects. His contributions are noteworthy in all the fields. He was one of the few men who could make an impact on the country and the world. His birthday, November 14, is celebrated as Children's Day. This reminds us of his great character, ideals, and deeds. In the words of Winston Churchill, he had conquered all things, including fear. Jawaharlal Nehru had a profound vision. He was a great orator and an author of repute. He believed in the unity of the country and the liberty of mankind.